See students, we're gonna start our chapter number 10th now. Okay. So all of you have taken out your books.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now everyone just see 10.1. Everyone just take out your books and see 10.1.
Yes,
See,
sir.
in in this chapter number 10, what we're gonna discuss? We're gonna discuss the area, we're gonna discuss the perimeter. Okay. All these things we will discuss for the following figures. Let us, we will discuss about the rectangle, we will discuss about the square, trapezium, and parallelogram, and so on. Okay. We will discuss the perimeters, areas of these figures. It is clear? Yes. Yes, students. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So, see,
Yes, sir.
and assignment 10.1, assignment 10.1, we will start. Question number 1, first part. Assignment 10.1, question number 1, first part. What is given in the question, students? The base and the height of the triangle are double. The area will be okay. Now, see, students, if I take a triangle ABC, if I take a triangle ABC, okay, let us say that the base is B. Let us say that the base is B and the height, that is the altitude, is H. Height is H. So area of triangle will be, area of triangle ABC, it will be
Half into base into
Half
height.
into base into height.
half into base into altitude. You already know this formula. You have learned this formula in the previous class. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the area of triangle ABC is half into base. Base is B, altitude is H, half into base into altitude. Okay. Now, students, according to question, everyone just mute your mic. Yes, everyone just mute your mic. See, what is given in the question? If the base and the height of the triangle are double, according to question, if height and base are double, okay. So yes, what will the height now, students? What will be the height now?
Sir, 2H.
See, this is h, so it will be 2h. So height is 2h now, and base will be 2b. Base will be how much?
Yes, sir.
Base will be 2b. So area of triangle, area of new triangle. Everyone just mute it. Everyone just mute your mic. So area of new triangle, that everyone just mute your mic. Okay. Now see. So area of the new triangle will be half into base. Base is 2b now. And altitude is how much? Altitude is 2h. Okay. Now, if I just write this, students, can I write it like this? 2 into 2, 4. So 4 into half into base into altitude. I can write it like this. And this is our old area. So this will be 4 times the area of older triangle. Area of older triangle. Okay. So the area of new triangle is equals to 4 times the area of the old triangle. So can I say that part number B is my required answer? Yes. Yes, students. Is it clear? That the part number B is our
Yes, sir.
required answer. Yes, the remaining students. Okay, so the area of trapezium, it is half into sum of parallel sides, that is AB and GD, into the altitude, that is the perpendicular in between the parallel lines. Now see this in the question number second. Yes, just mute your mic. Yes, just mute your mic. Okay. Now see, the perimeter of the trapezium is 32 centimeter. See, if I make a trapezium like the same, name it as ABCD. See, the perimeter is 72. Perimeter is given to us. It is 72 centimeter. Okay. And what is given? And its known parallel sides are 12 each, 12 centimeter each. So the known parallel sides are 12 centimeter each. Okay. Okay. If the height is 16, if the height is 16, so this is 16 centimeter, it is given to us. I have to find out what? I have to find out the area of this. And area is half into sum of parallel sides into altitude. That is the height. Now see students, what we will do? Perimeter. Yes students. The perimeter of any figure is, yes. How can we find out the perimeter of this?
Sum of all
Sum of all
sides.
sides.
Yes, sum of all
Sum
the
of all sides.
Yes, yes. The perimeter of any figure is sum of the boundaries. So just add the boundaries. AB, perimeter will be AB plus this BC, that is 12, plus this CD we don't know, plus this 12. So this will be perimeter and it is equals to what? It is equals to 72. It is given to us. So AB plus CD as it is, AB or CD as it is, 12 plus 12 is 24. This 72 as it is. Okay. Now this 24 is in addition. When it goes here, it will be in subtraction. AB plus CD. AB plus CD. It will be how much? 48. If I just subtract 72 and 24, it will be how much? 48.
Yes, sir.
AB plus CD is 48 now. AB plus CD is 48 now. Now we have to find out the area. Area will be half into sum of parallel sides, that is AB plus CD into the altitude. Altitude, if I just write M, so altitude will be AM. So half into AB plus CD. AB plus CD we know. So just put the value. This will be 48. AM is 16. So this will be 24. So multiply 24 and 16 and you will get your answer. 6 4s are 24, 2. So this will be 384. So 384 centimeters square is my required answer. Yes or no, students? Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So 384
Yes.
centimeters square. Always make sure, students, that you write the unit as well. Okay. Always write the unit as well. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now see, students, question number third. The area is given to us. Area is 28. In question number third, if I discuss, area is given to us. One of the parallel sides is 6. One of the parallel sides, let this be 6. The second one we don't know. The second one we don't know, and the altitude is given. Okay, that is 4. So can you just simplify this by yourself?
Yes, sir.
See, if we just simplify this, 4 sevens are 28. So it will be 2 sevens are 14. 6. So CD will be how much? CD will be 8 centimeters. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
See, it is a quite easy question. It is quite easy question. So just do it by yourself. I'm going to discuss question number 4. Just do it by yourself. I'm going to discuss question number 4, students.
Sir, done.
Okay. Now see, question number 4, everyone. What is given? The parallel sides of the trapezium are 20 centimeter and 30 meter. 20 and 30. Now everyone just concentrate on board because this is important question. Okay, everyone just see on board now. Everyone just concentrate on board now. See,
Sir, the
in
video is
question,
not visible.
see, it will be visible. Okay. In question number 4, the parallel
Yes, sir.
sides of trapezium are 20 and 30. A, B, C, D is the trapezium. The parallel sides are 20 meter or centimeter. It is meter. So 20 meter and it is
Meter.
30 meter. Okay. So students, and its known parallel sides are 6 meter and 8 meter. Known parallel sides are 6 meter and 8 meter. I have to find out the area. I have to find out the area. See, how can I find out, students, the area? I have to do a construction in this. What type of construction we have to do? Just take a line parallel to AD from B. Just take a line parallel to AD from B. So I can draw it like this. Okay. Name this as E. Okay. Yes, students, can I draw it like this? By construction,
Yes, sir.
by construction,
Yes, sir.
draw BE parallels to AD. Draw BE parallels to AD. Now see, students, AB is parallel to DE. This AB is parallel to DE because it is given in the question. BE is parallel to AD by construction. If the opposite sides are parallel, so can I say that this ABED is a parallelogram? Can I say this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This AB is parallel to ED and this BE is parallel to AD. So can I say that this ABED is a parallelogram? Okay. Now this is a parallelogram, students.
Sir, video is very clear.
Okay, just let me complete this. Okay. The video is not poor. Okay.
Sir,
just
it's
see the
clear.
point now. Okay. I got the point. Okay. Now just see. ABED is a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram. So now, students, we know the property. We know the property that opposite side of parallelogram are equal. We know the property that opposite side of parallelogram are equal. So, students, can I say that if this is 20, this is 20 as well? Can I say this? Yes or no? Because opposite side of parallelogram are equal.
Yes, sir.
Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. We know this property. So I can say that ED is 20 meter. If this is 6, can I say that this is 6 also? Comma, BE is 6 meter. Okay. Now students, see, this is complete 30, this is 20, so this will be 10. Now this is 10 meter now. Okay. Yes, students, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the remaining students?
Yes.
Yes, the video is visible, students.
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Okay. Yes, students. Now see, what I have to do, I have to find out the area of this trapezium. So what I will do, students? Students, you know what is Heron's formula? Yes, students. You know what is Heron's formula?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, you don't know Heron's formula.
No, sir.
The
Okay.
sum of the square of
Okay. Now just see everyone. Now just see everyone. Okay, okay, that's good. If you know, now just see. Heron's formula is the area to find out the triangle. See, it is the formula for finding out the area of triangle. Heron's formula.
Sir, heroes and heroes formula is same.
Heron's formula. It is Heron's formula. Okay. See, what is Heron's formula? If I take a triangle ABC, if I take a triangle ABC, and the length of the sides of the triangle are A, B, and C. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so I can find out the area of triangle. I can find out the area of triangle ABC. I can find out. Area of the triangle will be root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, where this is the area of the triangle. This is the
Sir, what is S?
just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I'm telling you. See, this is the area of the triangle where S is the semi-perimeter. Where S is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. A plus B plus C. Sum of the boundaries, this is the perimeter. This is the perimeter, but S is
Yes, sir.
semi-perimeter, means half. So I have to take the half. Okay. So this is Heron's formula, students. This is our Heron's formula. So now, students, we can apply this formula in this triangle BEC. I can find out the triangle BEC, area of triangle BEC. I can find out. Okay. Everyone, just mute your mic. Who is this? Everyone, just mute
Sir,
your
your
mic.
video is off. It is showing on my device.
Hey, the video is not off, Akshat. And if you don't know, the recording is going on. Okay. And the principal sir will also see this video. It is clear. Now see, in triangle BEC, I can find out the semi-perimeter. S is A plus B plus C. That means take all the three sides. That is 6 plus 8, 6, 8 and 10. And just take a half of that. So it will be how much? 14, 24 by 2. So this will be 12 meter. So for this triangle, semi-perimeter is this. So now I can find out the area of triangle ABC. I can find out the area of triangle BEC. So it will be, I can find out by using this formula. So this will be root S is 12. Next is 12 minus 6. Just subtract sides. 12 minus 10. 12 minus 8. I can find it out like this. So this will be what? Root 12 into 4. This will be 2. Sorry, this will be 6. And this will be 4. Yes or no? Now, students, if I just take out the square root, see, this is 12 now. 6 into 12 is 12. 12 into 12 is making one pair. So 12 will come out. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So 2 will come out. So the area will be 24 meters square. Is this clear to everyone or not? This area of triangle is
Yes,
clear
sir.
to everyone? Yes or no? Yes, everyone. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, students, if I take the height of the trapezium, if I take the altitude of the trapezium like this, name it as BM. If I take the altitude of the trapezium BM, this is in the triangle BEC. Also, can I write it like this? Also, area of triangle BEC. Can I find it out by using formula also? Half into base. Base is this EC and altitude is BM. Can I write it like this also? Can I write area of BEC triangle as half into EC into BM? That is by using formula half into base into altitude. Can I use this formula or not?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Why not? Why no?
Because height is not given.
What is not given?
Height. Sir, altitude.
I have assumed this because I have to find out the area of the trapezium, and to find out the area of trapezium, I have to take the height, that is the altitude. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So for our for our convenience, I have taken this height, and we know the formula of the area of triangle. It is half into base into altitude. So area of BEC, it is 24 now. I can put the value. Half EC is 10. BM we don't know. Okay. So if I just cancel them out, it will be 5. So BM will be 24 divided by 5. So BM, that is the altitude of the trapezium, it is 24 divided by 5. Therefore, BM is 24 divided by 5. Okay. Now students, we know the height of the trapezium as well. We know the height of the trapezium. So area of trapezium. Area of trapezium I can find out. It will be half into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides means this 30 plus this 20 into the altitude. Altitude is BM, and BM we have already found out 24 by 5. Now if I just solve this, it will be 1 by 2 into 50 into 24 by 5. So 5 to the 10, this 0 will be cancelled out. So if I just multiply 5 for the 22, 120 meters square. So this is my
I
required
am
answer.
rejoining again.
So this is our required answer. It is clear, students?
Yes, sir.